So here is how you can delete favorites on a Safari on your iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and sort of videos like this one. So in order to check out your favorites, go to the Safari, tap on the three dots next to the URL and tap the bookmarks. So you might see the history, reading list, and also the bookmarks offer you the different folders. So we have like the general bookmarks, but also the favorites. So you can get in there and start browsing and managing the favorite websites. So you can swipe left on the individual entry and delete it if you don't want that to be there, which is likely the case. Or you can click on edit and perhaps change the location of the URL as well as the title of the bookmark. So that's how it works. You can also just sort them differently or change the view, create a new folder for better organization. So that is something that you can do to edit the favorite websites within a Safari. Keep in mind, however, that if you want to change if it shows up on the new tab, like if you go to new tab within a Safari, you have the edit button below and you might enable or disable the favorites, reorganize it if you want other elements to show up in the new tab as well. So perhaps you want to keep the suggestions or reading list, whatever, and you can enable it or disable it however you like it. So that is, I believe, then all that you really need to know about it. If you have some additional questions, the comment section is for you to use. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.